Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Annisa dari kelas 2B TPE. I will describing a technical object. I choose multimeters. Multimeter used to measuring electrical voltage, resistance, and electric current. Multimeters has a 6-part screw, selector switch, a positive pole holds and negative polarity selector, a pointer hand, and a scale. I will only explain three important parts. First, scale used to regulate the position of scale. Second, selector switch used to select the position of measurement as well as the extent of the measurement. Third, polarity selector switch used to choose the polarity of an AC or DC current. The multimeter is 3 cm high, 15 cm long, and 8 cm wide. The multimeter is made of copper.